Holy cow. They preserved the old Rhodes freight elevator. It's a Montgomery G&P. This is, I'm the only one here, so I can film it. Which means the passenger elevator was a Montgomery G&P. Wow. Oh, this is so epic. This is like Diesel Ducey's storage unit a little bit. Wow. This is awesome. I can take my time on this because I'm the only one in the building. Front open. Wonder if this had a rear door at a time. Wow. Oh, Alpal JL, you're going to love this. Let's go to you. This is so fun riding a department store freight elevator that I'm actually authorized to ride because I'm a tenant here. Epic motor, that's all I have to say. Amazing epic Montgomery motor. Let's get off at L. Wow. Look at those fixtures. I'll say one thing, I am never using those crappy tin can Kone elevators they put in. I'm always going to use this elevator to haul my stuff up and just to ride. Button went out. This is amazing. I actually have access to a vintage department store freight elevator. This is just so awesome. And thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.